Hello everyone, it's my pleasure to introduce you today our new model right here close to me, the next step of a long success story for Kia in Europe, the new e-Soul. Soul for Kia means being a pioneer. This car created the urban crossover segment 10 years ago, and it was the first electric crossover on the market. For Kia, Soul means also a strong design with this iconic character, a good value for money, and of course, 7-year warranties. This new e-Soul embraces all this legacy, but with zero emission, fully driven by electric energy. It has a new electric platform, a valuable package, a lot of technology on board. To make the car distinctive, it's a Soul, dynamic, a strong electric performance, and innovative with a lot of high-tech features. Welcome to the product presentation of the new e-Soul. First of all, it's a dynamic car, so let's have a look under the bonnet. The new e-Soul offers two kinds of electric powertrain. A high-power version, 204 HP with a long range, 452 km with a battery capacity of 64 kW. A mid-power version, 136 HP with a mid-range, 277 km and a battery capacity of 39 kWh. The charging socket, very practical, in the front, and it's a combined charging system. You can charge AC and DC. AC, normal charge, at home for example, when the price of electricity is cheaper, and DC on highways to continue your journey when you can charge fast. It will take you 42 minutes, for example, to recharge from 20 to 80%. It's time now to look at the exterior design of the car. For Kia, e-Soul is an iconic car, distinctive with this boxy appearance, but enhanced with a lot of modernity. Starting with the front, this bold and confident bonnet, a strong highlight, these sharp-looking headlamps, and technology-wise, high beam, low beam, turning lights and fog lamps, full LED. On the side, at the first sight, you recognize this unique, boxy, dynamic appearance, the signature of the Soul. On the roof, 7 color combination, including exterior mirror. It's a B-segment car, and customization is mandatory even on an electric vehicle. On the lower part, this SUV pack, available optional with wheel arches, with a side seal and a skid plate in the front to switch from an urban to a more SUV-ish character for the design of this car. On the rear of the car, to notice this nice-looking high-tech rear combi lamps to give a very modern signature into the dark. And if we open the tailgate, we will find a voluminous trunk capacity extended to more than 1,300 liters when we fold the rear bench. And with this dual-level luggage board, we really don't think that we are in an electric vehicle. The new e-Soul shares the same platform than the new e-niro that Kia launched previous year, with the same efficient location of the battery, right here, under the feet of the occupants. It allows a nice legroom and a nice headroom even for the rear passengers. Welcome to the cockpit of the new e-Soul. The intention of engineers and designers was clear: make it playful and innovative. Playful with this new mood ambient lighting system combined with the premium sound system. You can visualize on the panel door the music you are listening. Innovative also with this head-up display to keep an eye on the road, to get all the information about the speed, the navigation and all the driving assistance features available on the car. Lane follow assist, smart cruise control with stop and go, lane keep assist, forward collision avoidance assist, blind spot collision avoidance assist, driver attention warning, a very safe electric vehicle. You can get all important information in these 7-inch cluster displays, or even in this huge 10.25-inch audio and infotainment display. It's customizable, you can play with the widget like this. You can have the battery status and all EV information available for all occupants all the time. You can change the driving mode, normal, sport, eco, eco plus. And if you want to spare even more energy, you can activate the regeneration of the energy when the car is decelerating like this with a pedal shift. More regeneration on the left, less regeneration on the right, 5 levels from 0 to a full stop mode. Last but not least, the new e-Soul offers new telematic services. First, the Kia Connected services. On top of the already live traffic jam, the live POI, the live weather, and the live speed camera when allowed in the country, a new live EV charging station finder, and a new live parking slot finder with price information. Second, this new UVO Connect application. This new smartphone application allows to get information from the car, for example, the battery status, the vehicle report, or even the geolocalization of the car. It allows to send information to the car. You find a restaurant, you send the address to the car, and it's a remote for many functions of the car at distance. Charging, settings and timings, and climate controls, defrost, seats, windshield, all the functionalities. And when you're done, you just keep your smartphone on the wireless charger.